Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So basically today I'm gonna show you how you can use snack video application. So this is absolutely exactly like TikTok. So let me just get inside this video, this application. This is the application. So you can see here, if I go up, you can see this this is something cool. So if you wanna make the video, then you have to click on this plus icon, and also you will get the notification from this option here, you can see, and here you can search for the people. So it is exactly like TikTok. So what you need to do here is very pretty simple. If you click on this icon here, you can use the song. So you can see here you can use this type of songs. Now let me just show you what you can do. Again, you can see there, you can see search nearby. So if you want to search for nearby, if someone is using the same application, making the videos for the same application, then you can search for nearby. And the next thing here, you can see this is your profile icon. Let me just go inside the profile icon. This is the profile icon. So you can see the followers here and the post here and likes and your privates. So now here, if you want to go for like edit profile, so let me just click on edit profile. Here you can change your profile and these things are there. So here you will find one settings gear icon. Here also you can connect the account with your phone number, account protection, privacy settings. So I won't say much about this. So now let me go back, and here you can see a download button. So if you click on this option, then your video will be, you will be able to download the videos. So this is basically something special, and here you can see, if you tap here, you will see the profile of this particular person. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like the video, please do hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you soon on the next video.